it's a wig. At this point, we gotta score up because this point, like, what? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's WORLDOFZACH here, and I'm back for another video. And today, you know, it seems to be like everybody's favorite on my channel. I mean, I know y'all here for like the beauty, the glam, the melon, makeup, and whatnot. But also, my hair videos, like I said in the last one, they push, honey. They push. So I'm here to bring you guys another hair video. I'm super excited today because I no joke, for real, want to try this hair out. But I was doing like more of an Amazon version, just like trying to find like a random brand on Amazon and like give them my trust. You know what I'm saying? Like, Lord. Really trust them with this, but it's the unicorn style wigs, which have been trending. Like, they were trending all summer, and we're in the fall, winter time now. But I feel like you can show up to any holiday party with a unicorn wig on, and you can still be popping. I mean, if you don't want to call it, you know, just colors and whatnot. We know the Cardi B's, the China dolls, the black dolls, the Cashes, and the baby dolls, and all the dolls, all the female rappers and whatnot. And Instagram baddies have done different variations of unicorn hair, and even like you have like the professional hairstylists like Tokyo and his name is, I'm going blank right now, but a bunch of different hairstylists on Instagram and whatnot and via YouTube have tried the different like unicorn hair colors and whatnot. But y'all, like, I got something. Oh wait, before I speak, can I really like learn how to talk, please? Yes. But before I get into what the wig is, where it's from and all that, please, you guys, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you subscribe down below. Like, the picture gonna be up here. Like, at this point, y'all already know, sis. Like, period. Like, it's right there. Period. Subscribe. Click the button. The bell over there, like the little thing, like I think it's a bell, you see it, you know, like make the subscribe button go gray, so you like make sure, even if you already subscribed, just go ahead and check it, make sure you still like scroll down a little bit and all that. Make sure you click the bell, make sure you get notified whenever I post. I will be posting the James Charles palette video next after this one, so stay tuned for all the next upcoming posts for the holidays and whatnot, you guys. I want to like make sure I'm just in touch with you guys and we're just enjoying, so join the family. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, that was that part. So now back into this bad boy. It's a wig.com reached out to me via Instagram, and I was like, y'all want me? I'm talking about y'all, I would spend my last $40 to buy a wig. Like, I would have like $4 in my bank account trying to find one that was like 20 some dollars on sale and whatnot, and you know, pay for the express shipping because I need to get a video and I need a wig for a certain event or whatever. Like, I would spend my last coin on It's a Wig, Sam's Beauty, Wig Tyson or whatnot like that for It's a Wig wigs. And they reached out and they sent me a wig, and they put it in this real cute bag or whatever. Like, I'm on my way up. All the way up. L period. Stay consistent, stay persistent, and always like stay true to yourself and do what feels good to you, and you'll always succeed, sis. T. For real T, period. But they sent me the wig in this really cute bag that says The Art of Slay. This is what the wig comes in this really cute box. I have not touched it at all. I want to like do it on camera with y'all and everything like that. But these are all the unicorn styles. They come in a straight style, body wave, and like a little crinkly, whatever, unicorn Sundance, body wave straight. So I guess it's the Sundance texture is the one that I got. I mean, you know, a body wave would have been real cute or whatever, but you know, a body wave would have been real sickening, sis. Real sickening. I'm just saying, real sickening. But I'm gonna see how I can finesse this wig, and you know, we're just gonna pretty much get into it. The price point is about, I'm just post up like this. You know, we're family here. We're close, right? We're friends. So I'm gonna just post up like this. I believe the wig is about $40-something. I tried to check on the It's a Wig website, and I don't know if it's my Wi-Fi or whatever, but things were just, it was a little confusing, sis. But on like other vendors and whatnot, I have the links down below and everything like that. You can probably get on Amazon. If you shop through Amazon, I do have an Amazon profile coming soon. I will have a video on that as well. But if you shop my links or whatever, like, you know, just shop through me. We can support each other, sis. Like, you know, a little blessing. Hello. But I'll have everything linked down below so you can get this wig. But I believe the retail price is about 40 bones, which is not that bad. Well, we'll see if it's not that bad, because if it's quality, then it's bomb, though. You know what I'm saying? That's a deal. But usually like $40 for a synthetic wig that's good quality, long, and gives you what you want. Like, you're getting your money's worth, sis. Like, that's a blessing. I don't know about you, but that's a blessing to me. So, $40, and I don't know the exact length on this, but From the models one, I believe it's from somewhere between like 20. It gotta be somewhere between 22 and 26 inches. So she long. So I just took her unicorn Sundance or whatever, you know, little Coachella vibes and whatnot. I just took her out of the packaging, the little box and whatnot, and I can already say like right off the bat, it feels really, really good. It feels beautiful. Like you don't see no tracks, y'all. No tracks. Okay, she's not thin. She's Miss Stickums, okay, but not like heavyweight down. You know, she's cut. She's luscious. She's cute. I think this hair is blended beautifully. Like, this looks so good. Like, just the ombre-ness of the colors. You got the pinks. You got the little lilac, the little lavender-ish in there. You got the little aquamarine, that little I keep saying the one more time, okay? Come on. Get it together. And I think the lace is really, it's like that soft lace, so it'll glue down nicely, and you can see, like, it's more of a brown color, so it's for people of color, you know what I'm saying, like that. We can finesse her, and she's gonna look real cute, but I think anybody will be able to finesse it and be able to wear it, like, it's for everybody, okay? But it's a darker brown lace, so if you are of, like, a lighter skin complexion, you might have to use foundation and whatnot to finesse it and make it work for you, but I like that for me because I'm got a little melanin to me, okay, you know what I'm saying, so I'm gonna make it work. So you guys may be able to see right there, like, here's a part, it's like a side part. Let's see, it's gonna be on this side right here. Is that my side? Girl, I can't remember, I don't know. But there's only one comb right there at the bottom, and you do have an adjustable band, which is really nice. I do like to use those, so I'm gonna go ahead and plop this on really quick, and I'm gonna come back and talk about her, what I think. I'm gonna try to finesse her, get her real cute. Okay, so you guys, this is the unit, like, just popped straight in my head, and I don't know, I'm like really confused right now because I don't think this is my parting side for one, but like I've never really done like this color scheme before or anything like that. Like, I haven't done like a pastel pink on myself before, but I don't know, do y'all live for it? Let me know. Comment right now, like, do y'all live for this or not? Like, am I tripping? They look cute. Am I popping? I don't know. Like, I'm at a loss for words right now. I don't know. I do like the wig though. It's not the wig itself. I do like the wig a lot. Like, this is like club hair. Like, this is the hair that you can wear to the club. Like, as you can see, I'm just like running my fingers through it. Like, for real though. Like, y'all can see me just running my fingers through it. And I'm getting no tangles, no crazy shedding or anything like that. And I feel like you can throw this all night. It's nice and fluffy. It's gonna look really good. Like, so far it's so good. That's why I'm cutting baby hairs. I literally haven't glued it down or anything like that. And as long as your hair is like down and in your face and whatnot and looks like this, you're set. Like, you're good to go. Like, you can just kind of like put it back like that. Let me go ahead and try to finesse this. This is not, I don't like this parting side on me in general, so I'm gonna go ahead and just try to see if I can shift it. See what the middle looks like. Let's see. Oh, I do love the parting space, by the way. I don't think I would really add anything to it. I think it looks fine as is. Yeah, I actually kind of do like the parting space on this. It looks pretty good to me, to my personal preferences. Like, maybe add a little bit of brown to it, like, just to make it really more brown. But since it's like that pink color, you run that risk of getting the brown on there. So you gotta be really careful when finessing that, which I haven't gotten to yet. But, okay, center part. Let's see, how do we feel about the center part? If I do the center part, I definitely had to finesse the rest of the wig, just because it wasn't meant to be shifted this way. As far as like the baby hairs and stuff like that on this side. Let's see. Okay, you guys, me and her getting along a little bit better now. Like, the center part is like taking me there, you know, she's getting me where I need to be. I really do like this from the center. It looks really, really cute. Like, I'm kind of like living for it right now. I actually really do love the way this hair is like curl crimped and whatnot. Like, it looks really cute, and I love the fact that I can just do this and it looks so good. The yellow tips are everything, honey. But yeah. Yeah, it looks really good. It's really cute. This is a mood. I feel like this is more like a unicorn vibe, like the center part and whatnot. I think that's really cute. Okay, my parting side is usually over here, so let me go ahead and shift over there real quick. See what you're talking about. It's already messing up the lace though, as you can see, like right here. It's kind of throwing the lace off a little bit. The lace is shook, honey. Okay. Oh man, no. Am I feeling like the gay Kim Possible? It's like, it's a wig at this point. We gotta score up because since I'm mad, like, I'm packed over here. Like, I'm really upset because do y'all see how good this looks over here? Like, this side is my parting side, sis. Go ahead and comment down below, like, what you think. The first way, the middle part, or like this side right here. Like 1, 2, or 3 or whatever. But I'm living my best life right here. Like, I feel the most confident over here. Like, I can flip my hair. And I feel like I'm that bitch from this side. You know what I'm saying? Like, everybody got their side. And I feel like this is just like, that's like when I get makeup tutorials, y'all get over here because this is my side. Oops, my phone, honey. What's this? Do y'all, ain't no, where the lace? I have to shift the wig all the way over here just to get the part over here, and it doesn't work because I can't even glue that down because it won't lay right. You know, it's okay. It's okay. We can work this. We can fix this. Okay. Yep. This is it. Okay, so I think out of everything, the easiest for me to do will be just the center part, and I can really finesse this. I'm gonna go ahead and add my concealer to the root and everything like that really quick. And I might straighten this hair too because just for my personal preferences. Okay, guys, so there is room to save this unit. Even though I do really like it, I think it's a beautiful unit. Like, it's actually really, really bomb. Like, all its wigs, they're all really, really good quality. But I noticed that the straight hair was on the left side parting, which I would have just, girl, I would have lived my best life for. And the body wave was a center part naturally, center part. And then the ear-to-ear side part is from the right side, so this side. So if you like your parties from the right side, then this will be good for you. And it's like the crinkly, like wavy texture, like I think like a loose wave is what you would call this texture, like crimped kind of style, curl or whatever. It's really, really pretty. It's good for like vacation vibes. I think it's a beautiful wig for all those reasons. The quality of it is everything. Like, honestly, it's freaking bomb. I love the quality of this. I think this looks really good. And at this point, because people do colored wigs so much, you can't really clock it and say if it's synthetic or not. Because, honey, it just looks so good. Like, you can't tell me. Like, this is 613 hair, and I just dyed it. I might straighten it. If I can connect my straightener here, then I'll go ahead and put that on camera. But if not, then I'm about to finesse her really quick, and I will be right back.
You get me so high. I know you in the trap, but you get me so high. 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 You get me so high.
Okay, so she cute or whatever, like, let me know. Go ahead, tell me. She cute, real straight, like, the opposite of me, obviously. But, yeah, you guys, so this is the pretty much, I sound like such a shit, but yeah, you guys, okay. But, yeah, so this is the wig straight in. I put, like, I think it was on $3.90, my flat iron. What kind of flat iron is that? Oh, hold on, it's right here. It's a Remington. It's a purple Remington flat iron, and I used it on $3.90, so I put a lot of heat to her. It's still soft and smooth. I can still run my fingers through it, as y'all can see. Like, sis, she's key. She's major. And I would still wear this to the club. Like, the way that I'm flipping this hair, and she just looking so like, what you was saying? Who you talking to? What's good? Like, what you want to say? What you got going on, sis? Like, what? Like, come on. You want to fight? Me? I'm a Barbie. Barbies don't fight. Can't get them. Okay, I don't know what sense that made, but yeah, you guys, pretty much I'm gonna stop flipping my hair because I look really annoying right now. But yeah, the hair straightened pretty good. I really like it like this style a lot more. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Did you like it like the way it was before? This just fits me better. I like either like a body wave, like nice curls, a deep wave curl. Ooh, this like in a big, like afro, like deep curl type of way would be so, that would be a vibe, to be a moment. Like that would be key, honey, yes. Sis, I loved it. Like, this is beautiful. Thank you, It's a Wig, for sending me this unit. I really do love it. What was her name again? Unicorn Sundance, I believe her name was. I have everything linked down below, you guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this and more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe. Share this video with your friends, you know. Tell It's a Wig that I sent you when you go get this unit because you want it. Because she's real cute. Stay tuned for more uploads, you guys. And I love you again. Girl, this hair is caught on my lash. And I'll see you guys when it's still caught on my lash. How rude, can I feel my outro wet, please? Thank you. But yeah, you guys, I'll see you guys when it's upload. I love you guys so much. Stay beautiful, stay confident, stay creative, and don't feel intimidated by color, okay, honey? Because you can wear whatever you want. It's about wearing the color, not letting it work you, honey. Make the money, don't let it make you. I'll see you guys when it's upload. Bye, guys.